I hate being bored. It's my least favorite feeling to ever feel, because whenever it's the weekend, I don't have school, I feel like I could do something else, but I don't know what to do. And then that makes me feel worse because I know I could be doing something better, but I'm just sat on my dirty black computer chair again, watching YouTube. And then before I know it, my parents come home and I just distracted myself for 2-3 hours. But the only things that didn't make me feel bored was when I was just brain rotting myself that anything else in life was not enjoyable for me. But recently I figured out this easy way to stop feeling bored without the brain rot. My name is Timothy, and I just want to share this thing I recently learned with you. And if you can apply this thing that I'm about to talk about, bro, it will help you so much. If you like the vibe of this video so far, consider subscribing, because I'll be posting more videos like these to try to give you something to think about, and hopefully you can actually get better from what I say. When I was at school, it was the last period of the day, and someone asked me a question. It was if I wanted to go out with them, if I wanted to play some basketball after school. But the amount of times that I've made an excuse about not going, I actually decided to say yes. So I come home from school, go on my computer, but realize that I have to play basketball with my friend because I promised him. So I just get ready to play basketball, walk to the school, and I play basketball with him and some friends, and I actually have a lot of fun. So I come back and my parents are already home. Then I want to do this other thing and this next thing, and I'm not bored that day. I realized this happened because as soon as I came home from school, I would just go on my laptop, go on my computer. But because it was such a habit of me going on YouTube, I became so used to it, and doing the thing that was super exciting was boring for me. So as soon as I started to try these new things, which was saying yes to my friends asking me out to play some basketball, saying yes to the thoughts of me trying something new, and then saying yes to actually taking action on those things. So the first thing I thought of was, what is some new things that I haven't really done before? I'll be outside, I'll learn some things, I'll develop my social skills and talk to some people. I'll start making money, I'll start living a cool life. So then after I thought of those things, I went on Google Maps and looked at the places around me and biked to them, walked to those places. I said hi to the strangers that I saw along the way of me playing sports or playing with my friends. Not only did I just wait for people to invite me to things, I actually made my own events, you can call it, and invited people to those places, trying daily experiences and challenges, which will give my life more stories, more meaning and excitement in my life. Now I go to sleep with such a fat smile on my face because I did so many things in my day besides just go on YouTube all day. It's really something you have to try. And if you want to know more info about this, I made some videos talking about this. They're some of my most popular videos. So what I want you to do right now is to think of opportunities, new things you haven't done before, and say yes to those ideas. Maybe not the one of doing drugs, but the one of going outside for 5 minutes, trying this new hobby, this new craft. It's not boring when you end it. When you end playing video games, when you end watching so much YouTube, it's boring after that. You're gonna find enjoyment in smaller things in life. It's surprising how simple this really is, right? Saying yes to more things when your friends ask you to go out, when you think of this new idea to try something, being outside, doing some craft inside. But if you want the perfect way to stop being bored, talk to new people, start making some money, start quitting those bad habits of watching so much YouTube and replace it with other cool things, join our School of Fish. It's such an amazing place to be, and it's way better than spending time on Fortnite and spending V-Bucks or on the Brawl Pass. It's such a great investment. Click that link in the description for the School of Fish and you will see this video, watch that video of me hyping it up and being excited for it. And also look at the other reviews that I have of people going through the School of Fish. It's such a great place to be. I really hope you think about it and actually invest it into something and not be bored because of that. You tried something new. But if you don't want to get that, that's no problem. I have a like-minded club that is free. You can join. Thousands of people are in there. And I think you can talk to one of them and they can be your friend. Subscribe to this channel so when you are on YouTube, you can get something productive out of it. Leave a like on this video. Comment what you think about this way of thinking that I have about saying yes to more things to stop your boredom. Comment below what you're gonna do as well. I'll heart your comment. I'll reply. I just want you to comment, bro. Do the algorithm stuff to spread this around so more people can see this video and stop being bored. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great rest of your day. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.